If you are using an Android smartphone, you may have heard about hidden apps on an Android device. Also, kids love to hide apps on their Android smartphones for private use. Here we'll show you how to find hidden apps on your or your kids' Android phones. As you can see now, the app door is enabled. To find hidden apps, let's tap and hold onto the free space on the screen and go to Settings. Tap on the Hide Apps menu. Here, you will see the hidden apps not showing in the app list. You can also find hidden apps by accessing the complete list of apps in Android devices settings. When your kids are not by your side and you can't access their mobile phones, to keep them safe, you can find out the hidden apps in your child's phone with a parental control app, which is designed to protect children. AirDroid Parental Control is your best option. You can get it in Google Play Store or App Store. Now open your AirDroid Parental Control app and click on App List. You will see all the apps on your kid's Android device. It lets you see which apps are installed on your kid's phone, including hidden apps. It is handy that you need to set it up only once. When your kids install a new app, you can also receive the alert right now. Okay, that's all for today's video. For your convenience, we have left the download link of AirDroid Parental Control in the description below. You can also sign up for our site to enjoy a 3-day trial for free. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.